Hai Kuzuzangpo. If you're new, I'm Kinga, and if you have seen other video of mine and you have clicked on this video, thank you so much for coming and staying with me. I love to share about the flowers, like propagation and how to sell your plant, how to start a business, and how to stay connect with the plant all the time. But for today, I'm here to share how I arrange my flowers and how I save my plant all the time. Hope you all will like my video and the content of today, so please stay to the end and watch till the end. Isn't it lovely? All alone, heart made of glass, my mind of stone. As I am so passionate about the flower, every morning I wake up, I used to get a new idea. Today I wake up at 5 a.m. and I got an idea to hang out my plant. So I came here and I hang up all my money plant, just making my hanger by myself. I'm so happy. Yes, I would say it consumes so much time, but if you have an idea of anything, just try it. Do once or twice. If you feel happy, it's the only, I would say that is the only the happiness you can get from what you have done. If you have any idea, don't just give up. Just try it. Again you have to try. Again you have to try. So you will get a result at the end. Isn't it lovely? All alone. Friends, now it's the summertime. Summer kills the flower most of the time. So please try to save your plant. I am also selecting the plants which are danger to dry and which are feels very weak, and I'm saving. I'm trying to save them. I wanted to transplant. I wanted to give a more soil, and I wanted to divide, and I wanted also to transplant. I have so many works. I have to go to collect the soil from the forest. See friends, how much beautiful my roses are blooming. Thank you so much subscribers for telling me the name of these flowers. It is known as gardenia, and I brought it from the local seller. It is too expensive. It's so beautiful. I love it so much.
A la salsa desde Córdoba. Yo no sé de poesía ni de filosofía, solo sé que tu vida yo la quiero en la mía.
I use only the dry leaf and the top layer of the soil, which helps a lot for flowers and mini plants that you put. And for the minerals, I use my banana peels and onion peels. That helps a lot for the growth of the plant and even to the flowerings. And I use only that much for my flowers to grow and get healthy. I get so productive from that much only.
¿Cómo hacer para no tenerte las ganas que yo tengo? ¿Cómo hacer para no quererte? Nadie como tú, no hay un sustituto para ese cuerpo.
These plants grow from the bulb. Now they have reached their height too long. They are so dangerous to kill by the wind. To protect them from the wind, I am just giving the dry leaf, and I wanted to save them from the wind.
Ya me tiene cucu, en un rato te busco, voy y te acurruco.
The garnitures used to grow even from the leaf, and they are the easiest plant that I can grow from the cutting. I have all done by the cutting, and they really grow very healthy in any conditions. I want to propagate or transplant this plant also. All I have done is by cutting. They are all grown very properly.
Porque no hay nadie como tú. No hay nadie como tú. No hay nadie como tú. ¿Cómo hacer para no tenerte las ganas que yo tengo?
Finally, I done. It took almost 2 hours, and with this heart-shaped plant transplanting, I've done my works. I want to show all the flowers that I have transplanted. As I've told you, I use these type of minerals for my flowers. With that, thank you so much for watching till the end. I wanted to dilute it, and I want to give for my flowers for healthy growth. So bye bye. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Love you all. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.